see the star. It's so darkness.
What do you see?
Big stars, Father. Oh,
Where's the big star?
it falls down.
So the novices are having a nature work.
Look at the stars.
The stars.
Look how they shine so bright. With the moon.
It's a beautiful nature.
We see the moon. Clear, dark night. With the moon.
Oh, what do you sing?
Of God, blossoming vine, splendor of heaven, motherly light, light to thee, mother of meekness, fearless thou art. To Carmel's children favors impart, star of the sea.
Beautiful. So, imagine, this is your first celebration of Independence Day.
Happy Independence Day.
So the Lord, our Creator, gave us a good weather. Huh? Look at that, oh, the moon is already hiding. Where have you hidden, my beloved, and left me moaning? So goodbye na. Oh, goodbye the moon, no? This is our creation tonight. Nature walk. Okay. And look at our name there, oh, Saint Elijah Novitiate House. This is natural light.
Natural light. Natural light.
And what is the temperature?
19 degrees.
19 degrees Celsius. It's very cold. Very, very cold. And we thank God for this. Let's go to our horse. Are you Elijah? Let's go to our horse. Okay. Thank you, Lord. We are having this walk in the night. Beautiful. We will observe only how we will not catch because they are very good friends. So be careful, there might be snake here, okay? Oh, there are one parfly. This parfly comes to my room, eh? You see it?
Yes, there.
Oh, this one, oh, it's a parfly. No, don't catch. It's beautiful.
So that the brothers can see. Maybe Roy is the first time.
Okay. First time, Roy.
Come.
Wait. There is. Okay, you catch. Don't catch. It might die. Look, oh, it's winking, oh.
It's very clear.
Oh, winking. Oh,
I'm surprised.
there might be many. Look at the moon, oh. Beautiful. So beautiful. Thank you, Lord.
Look, it's a firefly.
You show it to your. Wow, this is firefly.
In my hand.
You're so blessed.
See?
But later we release it, because
Yes, of course.
it's nature. You show it to your brothers.
Brothers, firefly.
Brothers, Brother Austin catch a firefly. Then he will release it also.
very
How it
small,
looks
hey?
like. Yes. The butt is.
Oh, but, when we see this very small, but when it's sparkling,
very
it's like
Please.
it's like LED light.
LED.
It's
You turn it off, please.
LED.
Okay, see.
Wow,
Wow,
it's a real
blink. Oh, it's natural, no?
Yes.
Natural LED. This guy small.
Bye-bye. And that's the big firefly, oh, the moon. Wow. Beautiful, Lord, thank you. Huh?
Wow, beautiful moon. You can see the mountain.
All. Come, you follow me.
Firefly also.
We are here. Oh, thank you, Lord. We are on the mountain.
Come, brothers, come.
Okay, so you come, okay?
Oh, come on, there's
Perfectamente. What is something special, huh? Ay, wait. Austin, you go there, huh? You touch the moon. Beautiful. Brothers, Team Elijah, please come here. I will picture you. Okay. Show your flashlight. Okay. 1, 2, 3, smile. Yan. Okay. The moon is very bright, very beautiful.
Father, leave the camera to the one stand
Behind you.
Aho.
Behind you at the back.
At the back? OMG. There's someone? No. He's Gabriel. Gabriel. I am Gabriel.
He asking you for him.
I am Gabriel. Smile. Sawadee ka.
That's all.
Chin chow. Sheshe. Okay, very good. Mabuhay. Beautiful. Thank you, Lord, for this beautiful gift of nature in Daluangan.
Yay!
Mabuhay.